Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update to the Partners in Cream project pan. So if you're interested in seeing the updates that I've made in the last month, then just keep on watching. Before we do that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so before we get into the updates, I just have to say this was created by Steph Lyons and Dylan from Outward Processing. I will link their channels down below, as well as the project playlist and all the kind of specific rules, but the general overview, as you can probably tell or already know, is we are panning cream products. So liquid, cream, anything that's not a powder. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about that. So let's hop into the updates. This will probably be a quick one. All right, so first up as always is my Flexitarian highlighter. So we are looking like this. I will pop up a picture of where we were last month. I feel like we haven't made progress. This is so slow going, and I will pair it with other highlights. I will, I'll double highlight. I used this 13 times in the last month, so I definitely could have worn it more, but I just feel like I'm moving so slow. I thought this would be done by now, if I'm being completely honest. I didn't think it was going to take me more than 6 months, and I don't even know that I'm going to finish it this year. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm determined to finish it, so I'm not planning on rolling it out anytime soon. I'm just feeling a little discouraged, but that's okay. I might try to apply it like underneath my foundation and see how I like that. I haven't tried that quite yet. I know some people apply it in that way and like it, so I'm going to try that out and maybe I'll see some sped up progress. But that's the update on that. Just 13 times. I will try to use it that amount of times or more in the next month. I'm also filming this a week early, by the way. Just so you know, I'm filming on Saturday. I believe it goes up on the next Saturday. But this is my filming day, so I have to get it done. Next up, we've got my Third Eye lipstick from ColourPop. Just visually, you can tell there's not a ton left, but this is probably going to take me till the end of the year. I actually didn't check the progress on my piece of paper, so let me do that really quick. Okay, well, we were at that blue line last time, and now we're there, so we really didn't move very much. So that's disappointing. But yeah, so again, this is slow going, but I've made a ton of progress on this. This was not brand new, but definitely closer to a full lipstick than this. So, I've made great progress. I'm not feeling discouraged about this. It's not as creamy as some other lipstick formulas, so I think that's why it's taking a little bit longer. I knew this was going to be a long haul product, but I think I can get this done by the end of the year. I think I can. And I used this a total of 8 times in the last month. And when I say 8 times, I mean 8 days. I do typically reapply this. I just don't usually mark down reapplications throughout the day. So, yep, 8 times with this guy. Next up, we have my e.l.f. concealer, and this guy is done. I expected this to go another month, but I scraped it all the sides. There's nothing left in here. And I am very, very excited. We started out there, the line's starting to rub off, and the other ones rubbed off as well, but it looks like there's stuff in there, but it's just a thin layer coating the side, so there's nothing left. I'm really, really excited to get this out. I did not love this concealer. I don't know if I said it, but this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This was not hydrating, this was not good, but I'm really glad to get this out of my collection. I used the e.l.f. concealer 18 times before I just decided to call it done. Next item I had is my Wander Beauty Glotion in the shade Catch the Light, or no, Celestial, sorry. And I'm calling this done. I think I have like maybe 2 to 3 more uses with it, but I really got to squeeze on this to get it out, and because I'm filming this a week early, I'm just going to call this, and I'll continue to use it until I can't squeeze anything out anymore. But for the purposes of this project, and because I know it'll be done before this update actually goes live, I'm going to roll it out now. I would not repurchase this, but it got me into these glowy kind of mix-in products, and I am glad that I did because I am loving them lately. And so I used this 19 times in the last month. So many times. I've been absolutely loving it. Mixing it in with foundation, mixing it in with primer, just really, really enjoying this. And so, yeah, I'm excited to to finally get this out. I got this in a Nipsey last year, and yeah, it came with this little like ball on the end. It's like a stick highlight. It's too dark for me, so I didn't bother with it. Next up, we have my Tower 28 cream blush in the shade Magic Hour, and I used this 11 times in the last month, and I don't know if you can see a dip, really. There's not necessarily a dip. Definitely a lot of use, but not really a dip. I used this 11 times, like I said, and my goal for this is either hit pan or, you know, roll it out at the next quarterly refresh. I'm not quite sure. Oh, actually, there might be a little bit of a dip, actually. But I'm not getting tired of this. This is my favorite blush at the moment. I just think it looks so good, and it goes with any kind of look that I want to wear, no matter what color I'm going for. This looks really, really good. And so, yeah, I'm really, really happy with it, and I'm just enjoying it, you know? Enjoying getting use on it. I would like to hit pan. I don't know, like looking at the acrylic, it looks like a pretty deep pan, but I don't know if it's like playing like an eye trick on me and it's actually thinner. I don't know. But I'm just excited to be working on this, so I'm really happy about that. And finally, we have my ColourPop Super Shock in the shade In Harmony, and I only used this once. Last time I did not use it at all. So this is what it's looking like. I need to step up my usage on this. My goal is to hit pan, so hopefully I can use it more. I just haven't been wanting to wear the shade, and I've had some new eyeshadows come into my collection. So I'm just going to continue to have this on the project and work on it. It's there. not as easy progress as my last few months, so with my Super Shocks, but yeah, I'm keeping it in. It's hanging around. All right, so now for the fun part where we get to roll in 2 new items. I'm really excited with the items I picked. So I'll start out with my replacement for the Wander Beauty item, and I'm gonna roll in my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for Superstar Youth Glow. I have the mini in the shade Too Fair. And I've used this a handful of times. I'm there, so not a lot of use, but I've had quite a few of these products come into my life recently because, like I said, I've been really enjoying them. And so this one I don't necessarily love. It's kind of thick and I don't really love it. So I want to work on this and hopefully finish it. If I get tired of this, I'll roll it out at the quarterly refresh, but for now my goal is to finish it. If you're wondering, I don't think this is too dark on me. This is what it looks like, and then blend it out. It looks fine. It looks like it could be a little dark, but I just wanted to try the mini, and yeah, it's not my favorite. I was actually surprised it settled because I felt like it wasn't going to, but I left it to sit overnight and it did. So yeah, my goal is to finish this. I'm kind of rambling at this point, so yeah, let's just try to finish this. And finally, we are going to roll in another lip gloss. I was gonna roll in another concealer, but I just don't want to right now. So I'm gonna roll in my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Fussy. I can never remember what shade I picked. I think because I meant to get Sweet Mouth and I got Fussy, which is fine. I like the shade, but I always want to say it's Sweet Mouth. I didn't mark it because I just changed my mind, but I'm like between the T and the Y. It's focusing on my face. Yeah, I'm like right here. So I'm gonna, yeah, I think you can kind of see. Yeah, I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it, it'll be fine. But I'm excited. This is my oldest gloss now, so I think I can get this done by the end of the year. This was in, I did 20 uses in my regular Project 2021 Project Pan. Words are hard today, apparently. And I made some good progress on those 20 uses, so I'm excited to see how fast I can get this out of my collection. I've been panning lip glosses like crazy this year. Again, I work from home. I literally sit right here where my makeup is, so I just have this sit out and I'll just reapply it throughout the day when I need to. So yeah, that is what I'm rolling in. So yeah, let's wrap up. We've got the 2 new products. I don't think either of these will be done by the next update. We've got Tower 28. I don't think I'll hit pan by the next update, but there will be definitely progress on there. The lipstick, more progress. This is not going to be done either, so we probably won't have a lot of rollouts. These are a lot of long haul products. The one that I'll hopefully have hit pan on by next month is the Super Shock Shadow. So we're gonna aim for that. And I think that's all for this video. So Once again, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your Partners in Cream is going down below, and I can't wait to binge everyone's videos. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment if you like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!